In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common issue of Waze displaying the message "No network connection, try again later." Whether you're on your daily commute or just starting a road trip, encountering this problem can be frustrating. Let's dive into the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this issue efficiently. First, we need to ensure that Waze has the proper permissions on your device. If you're using an iPhone or an Android, start by navigating to your settings. Find and tap on the Apps section, then locate Waze from your list of apps. Once you're there, it's crucial to verify that both location and cellular or mobile data permissions are enabled. These settings essentially allow Waze to access the necessary network and GPS functionalities to operate correctly. For Android users, another setting you might find useful to ensure Waze runs smoothly in the background is enabling background data. If you're on an iPhone, you'll want to check that background app refresh is turned on for Waze. This guarantees the app remains up to date with real-time traffic information, even when you're using other apps. Moving on, if the permissions are all set correctly and the problem persists, it may be time to reset your network access for Waze. For Android users, you can do this by heading back to the Apps section in your settings. Once you've selected Waze, go into Storage and tap Clear Cache. It's important to clear just the cache and not the data unless absolutely necessary, as clearing data can remove saved information you've accumulated over time. For iPhone users facing this issue, you'll want to reset your network settings. This can be done by going into Settings, then choosing General. Navigate to Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Reset, followed by Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this action resets Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular APNs, so you may need to re-enter Wi-Fi passwords afterward. Lastly, an outdated app might be the culprit of connection problems. Open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and check if there's an update available for Waze. Running the latest version not only provides the latest features, but also fixes for any known bugs. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, uninstall Waze from your phone, restart your device to clear out any residual issues, and then reinstall the app from your App Store. This gives Waze a fresh start on your device, which often fixes persistent connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving the "no network connection, try again later" error on Waze. Remember to periodically check for app updates and review your phone's permissions, as these practices can prevent similar issues from arising in the future. Safe travels and happy navigating!